Hello guys, how are you? We have already started speaking about money, and I have read about your money personalities. I mean your home tasks, and I suppose that many of you should start saving money. But how can people save money? What do you think? Well, if you don't know, we are going to read the text today, which is closely connected with this topic. And Have a look. Exercise number 1, uh, page 22. Open it, please. Page 22. And in exercise number 1, you can find some tips, some pieces of advice how to save money. So look at the money saving tips and read them and choose 3 best tips. Your so your attitude, your opinion. Read it and choose 3 best ones. So now we are going to read the magazine article, which is called Be Frugal, It's Cool. What does it mean to be frugal? It means to think about your money and to try to save money. So it is also connected with money saving tips. Read it, please, and then we are going to do exercise number 3. So now please do exercise number 3. Read the task. So you should read the article again if you need, and you should match the words in blue from the text. Can you see? So match the words in blue from the text with the definitions. You have 5 minutes to do this task, and then we will check. Okay, I hope that you are ready. Don't forget to take a pause, нажимать на паузу, to do the task without my help. Okay, let us check. So, a large group of people. Repeat after me, please. A large group of people. What does it mean? Crowd. Толпа. A crowd of people. So the next. To spend, for example, to spend money. And the answer is fork out. The next one, repeat please. The first night of a film. It does not mean that it is always should be night time. It's just the first day. So, film premiere. Not generous. Mean. Something old but valuable. Valuable, ценный. Old but valuable, vintage. Careful with money. Frugal. So it is from the heading of our text. To find out about. Check out. A blouse or t-shirt. A top. Some flowers. Bouquet. Things with a good price. Bargains. Okay. Well done. So I want you to open your personal files, vocabulary, and to copy these new words and their definitions with the heading Saving Money. Copy it, please, into your personal files. So, your next task is to do exercise number 4. So, you need to continue working with the text. Be frugal, it's cool. You should use the strategies to match the phrases from A to F with the gaps. And there is one extra phrase, as usual. So, please do it. Now let us check. So, number 1 is C, 2, A, 3, B, 4, F, 5, D. Okay. Well, have a look. Exercise number 5. There are, you know that there are different ways to talk about quantity, not quality. Quality – качество, quantity – количество. And the verb, which is closely connected with quantity, is to count or to number. To count 1, 2, 3. And how can we count water? We can't do it because water is uncountable. We can't say 1 water, 2 waters. It is impossible to do it because we can't count uncountable nouns. And that's why there are some ways to count uncountable things. And the way is to get them shape, дать форму какую-то. For example, you know that we can count, for example, bottles of water. And we can't count money, but we can count coins. And so on. I suppose that you remember this rule because we had already discussed it many times. Well, look, exercise number 5. Your task is to look at the word builder, and you should complete the gaps with the words below: pocket, bouquet, pear, bit, bottle, can, box. And check your answers in paragraphs 4 and 5 of the text. Okay, please do it. And now let us check, and don't forget to repeat after me. So, a bit, what does it mean, a bit? Кусочек. Это если дословно переводить. Как укус. Маленький, чего-то очень мало. A bit, немного. A bit of advice. Advice – совет. We can't count it, so that's why we say a bit of advice or a bit of information, a bit of fun, a bit of luck, of water, money, and so on. We can use a bit of with all uncountable nouns. A very nice word phrase. So the next, a bottle of perfume, a bottle of water, a bottle of orange juice. A box of chocolates. Box прямо коробка. Если плитка шоколада, a bar of chocolate. A box of matches. We use matches when we want to make a fire. Спички. A bouquet of roses. A bouquet of flowers. A can of cola. Can, if it is a noun, это жестяная банка. And all of you know that can, it is also a verb, be able to do something, уметь что-то. But if it is a noun, жестяная банка. A can of lemonade. A can of beans. Ну, имеется в виду консервированные, вот какие-то там, как фасоль. A pocket of crisps. A pocket of biscuits. A pocket of sweets. A pair of jeans. A pair of socks. A pair of sunglasses. Okay, also please copy this table into your personal files vocabulary with the heading quantities. So one quantities, it is a plural one. And at home, I want you to do exercise number 6 from your students' books, page 23. But I want you to do it orally. I want to hear your speech. And that's why, please send me your voice messages with this exercise. I will give you my mobile phone and use Viber and send me your voice messages with the help of this messenger, okay? And also your home task is to do a page in your workbooks, page 22, and exercises 2 and 3 from the page 23 in your workbooks. Okay? See you soon, guys.